judging the Making the Difference Award was really exciting. A number of fascinating entries across a range of technologies. What really stood out for me was the entry from Impression Technologies Limited, who through their hot form quench process are taking a whole life cycle approach to aircraft seat design. They're taking aircraft seats and reusing all of the materials so that there's no wastage and it minimises resource depletion. This is a really exciting technology, and I'll be fascinated to see how they take it forward and how well this British company does in the future with their new process, which is already getting considerable interest from aircraft manufacturers. So massive congratulations to them on winning this award. I'm very excited for them.
So HFQ and the Pivot project we did here fits very strongly with the circularity and recycling end-of-life agenda. We can make these components out of end-of-life material, post-consumer scrap, and these seats themselves at the end of their life can be recycled and then turned into new seats. Well, winning the Making a Difference Award was a big surprise and a great honour for the team here at Impression Technologies. It is a culmination of many years of work in advanced forming, and aerospace has always been one of our sectors that we wanted to develop. And I think it's a great recognition of the transformational potential of this technology, especially in sustainable structures.